Team Fullest, it is Friday. Let's get ready for work with what I have in my closet. Oh, it's weekend. One can relax. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate you all. Let's get dressed. So this is the basic layer. I'm going to wear the jackets that I wear, the little coat that I wear yesterday. I'm also going to wear this jean. This is Oli jean. You guys know this jean by now. I don't even need to introduce this jean to you guys anymore. I love this jean so much. I'm gonna wear this one. Today the weather is gonna be so beautiful. So I can't wait to just come back from work. I need to wash the bed sheets and clean this room. And then after that, just relax in the backyard and eat some ice cream. But I can't wait to just relax. My body, I'm gonna wear this shirt. Really, really love this. I'm gonna wear this one. Oh, it's weekend. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Clap along. Clap along if you feel. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Do happy. Okay. That. And I'm gonna wear this coat that I wear yesterday. Just because the weather is beautiful, but it's still not time to go out like this. Yeah, it's still a bit cold. But I think this one is not bad. This is cute. I'm gonna wear my sneaker, my favorite black sneaker. I'm so happy it is weekend. Let me spray my face. Ooh. I also put on my SPF. I got this one from the Lidl. Love it. This one doesn't leave any white cast. So I rub it on my face, down to my neck, and a little bit on my arms where I'm exposing. And also, I use it as a hand cream. It's very, very good to use SPF on your arm. One thing that I also like to do with my SPF, just before I go to bed at night, when I'm done with everything and it's time for me to go to bed, I'll just pump it in the back of my arms and then really a lot, really massage it in, and I do the same thing here. And then I just lie down in the bed like this, putting my hands so that I get dry. At least that also allow me not to be on my phone for quite a little bit before I go to bed. So I'll put my hand like this and then allow it to dry, and then I'll go to bed. Really, really love it. It's amazing. So if you have SPF in your bag, use it as a hand cream. Trust me, your hand will thank you later. Today I'm going to do my nails because after today I have 1 week holiday. I have 1 week off, so you guys are not going to be getting get ready with me for work video from the day you guys see this video a week. I'm gonna try to do there are other content that I really want to do as well. So definitely you guys are going to see videos of me doing this content. Right now I have a lot of videos that I've already planned. They're already on my YouTube channel, which will be coming up every single day. So yeah, I can rest. I'm gonna do my nails today, and then I have other content I want to do. I can actually change this wig because Saturday, normally Sunday we go to church, but this week we're going Saturday to service to church, and then Sunday we're free because Saturday we have a special reading. So I want to go on Saturday. So yeah, I'll be back on Saturday to give you guys a quick outfit look of the day, getting ready with me for service, and from then you guys are gonna get other videos. You guys are gonna get other videos from me, not only me getting ready for work. Thank you guys so much. This is the outfit look of the day. Simplest. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate you all. Heel erg bedankt voor de liefde en understanding. Ik waardeer het echt. I am so tempted to cut my hair again. I want to do a pixie haircut again, but this time I want to go to a professional. I've seen someone who know how to do it, and it lives far away. It's like 2 hour journey, but it's definitely worth it. So I'm thinking, should I not? My hair has grown quite a little. Um, I don't know if I should wait for my birthday before doing it, or I should just do it now because the style I want the back to be extremely short, and I want the top to have like a volume. And then later on, I want it to be like the one that it's coming like a bang on my face, that will fall on my face like a bang here, that I will curl it. That is what I'm going for. But I already find someone that can do it. I have the contact of the person, just that I haven't made my mind yet. That's it. Summer, I love short hair. Yeah, but my daughters have beautiful long hair. I take good care of my daughters here. When it comes to my hair, I just I'm very good at cutting my hair. Anyway, Silverless, thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys want to see a hair content, follow me on my main channel, which is Ami Fullest. I will leave it for you guys in the description box. The first link in the description box, that will be my YouTube channel. If you guys want to hair content, hair oil videos that I make for my daughter's hair, ingredients, my DIY hair stuff, I will leave it there. You guys go and check that one out. You guys will love it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. Doei, bye.